Welcome to the world of marketing and sales strategies in business entrepreneurship. Let's dive into key concepts and techniques. In this chapter, we will cover the essential aspects of marketing and sales strategies, including understanding the market, developing plans, implementing strategies, measuring success, and concluding with a Q&A session. Let's dive into the world of business entrepreneurship and learn how to effectively market and sell products or services. In the world of marketing, understanding your target audience and effectively positioning your brand are key to success. By honing in on the right demographic and crafting a unique brand image, you can stand out in the market and attract the customers you desire. In this section, we will dive into the importance of understanding your target audience and how it plays a crucial role in positioning your brand effectively. By identifying who your customers are and where your brand stands in the market, you can tailor your marketing strategies to connect with them and drive sales. Let's explore how these two elements work hand in hand to create a successful marketing and sales strategy. Understanding the target audience is crucial for businesses as it helps them tailor their marketing strategies effectively. For instance, a luxury fashion brand may target affluent individuals who value high-end products, while a budget airline may focus on cost-conscious travelers seeking affordable flights. By identifying and understanding their target audience, businesses can create targeted advertising campaigns and develop products that meet their customers' needs and preferences. This customer-centric approach not only boosts sales, but also enhances profitability in the long run. It is essential for businesses to continuously analyze and adapt their strategies based on the evolving needs and preferences of their target audience. Brand positioning plays a crucial role in helping companies establish a unique identity and image in the minds of consumers. It goes beyond just creating a catchy slogan or logo. It's about differentiating the brand from competitors and influencing how consumers perceive and make purchasing decisions. Take Apple, for example, positioning itself as a premium and innovative technology brand, known for its sleek design and cutting-edge products. On the other hand, Walmart positions itself as a low-cost retailer, focusing on affordability and convenience. Both brands have successfully carved out their own unique market positions by emphasizing these key attributes. Understanding the importance of brand positioning allows companies to effectively communicate their value proposition and connect with their target audience on a deeper level. It's all about shaping consumer perceptions and standing out in a competitive landscape. Today, we're diving into the marketing mix, also known as the 4 Ps. This framework is essential for businesses to plan their product, pricing, placement, and promotion strategies effectively. It's all about creating a cohesive marketing plan that aligns with your business goals. Determining the features and benefits of a product is crucial in marketing and sales strategies. It's all about understanding what makes the product unique compared to competitors and how it can fulfill customer needs. For instance, a company might create a product to fill a gap in the market or cater to a specific customer requirement. By pinpointing these unique aspects, the company can effectively convey the product's value to potential customers. This process is vital for crafting a compelling marketing message and positioning the product effectively in the market. It helps businesses stand out from the competition and attract the right target audience. In this chapter, we delved into managing growth, exit strategies, sustainable growth, diversification, leadership transition, exit planning, and harvesting for long-term business success. Understanding these concepts is vital for stability and success in the business world. Any questions before we move on? Choosing the best distribution channels is essential for effectively reaching customers and can significantly impact the success of a business. Online stores have gained popularity for their convenience, offering a platform to reach a broader audience and operate 24/7. On the other hand, physical retail locations provide a more personalized shopping experience and can help in building brand loyalty through face-to-face interactions. Some businesses may find it beneficial to utilize a combination of both online and physical stores to cater to different customer preferences and maximize their reach. Entrepreneurs need to carefully assess their target market, product offerings, and available resources when deciding on the most suitable distribution channels to use. Creating promotional campaigns is crucial for businesses looking to increase awareness and boost sales. In this context, examples of promotional strategies include advertising, public relations, and sales promotions. Advertising involves paid messages across various channels like TV, radio, print, and online platforms to reach a wide audience. Public relations focus on shaping a positive image for the company through media coverage, events, and community relations. Sales promotions, on the other hand, offer short-term incentives such as discounts, coupons, and contests to drive immediate sales. When businesses develop promotional campaigns, they must consider their target audience, budget, and objectives. It's essential to select the right mix of promotional tactics to effectively engage customers. By implementing well-thought-out promotions, today we're diving into the world of digital marketing. This powerful strategy leverages online platforms like social media and websites to reach a broader audience, target specific groups, and measure success through analytics. Get ready to explore SEO, PPC, and content marketing in this dynamic field. Digital marketing is a crucial aspect of today's business landscape, leveraging online platforms to reach a wider audience and track performance instantly. It enables businesses to target specific demographics and analyze the impact of their marketing strategies in real time. Digital marketing is all about using online channels and platforms to promote products or services. It's a powerful tool that allows businesses to reach a larger audience and specifically target different demographics. By leveraging tools like social media advertising and Google Ads, businesses can tailor their marketing efforts to reach the right people based on factors like age, location, interests, and online behavior. This targeted approach can lead to higher conversion rates and a more efficient use of marketing resources. Another key advantage of digital marketing is the ability to track the effectiveness of campaigns in real time. Analytics tools provide valuable insights into important metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and return on investment. In this slide, we delve into specific examples of digital marketing strategies that businesses can utilize to enhance their online presence and reach their target audience effectively. Social media advertising is highlighted as a powerful tool for creating and placing ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, allowing businesses to target specific demographics and interests. Search engine optimization, SEO, is discussed as a method for improving website visibility in search engine results through keyword optimization and high-quality content. Email marketing is emphasized for its cost-effective nature and ability to nurture customer relationships through personalized messages and exclusive offers. Lastly, content marketing is explored as a strategy for creating valuable content like blog posts and videos to engage and educate consumers, showcasing a software company's thought leadership through how-to guides and tutorials. These examples illustrate the diverse range of digital marketing tactics available to businesses looking to expand their online reach and drive sales. In the world of business entrepreneurship, mastering sales techniques is crucial for effectively selling products or services. From building rapport with customers to closing the sale, these strategies are essential for entrepreneurs looking to boost their sales and grow their business successfully. Sales techniques are like the secret sauce that businesses use to turn interested leads into paying customers. These strategies are essential for boosting sales and increasing profits, making them a key focus in the world of marketing and entrepreneurship. Sales techniques are crucial for effectively communicating the value of products or services to potential customers. They not only help in increasing revenue, but also play a significant role in building strong customer relationships. By understanding the needs and preferences of customers, entrepreneurs can tailor their sales approach to address specific pain points and provide personalized solutions. This personalized approach not only aids in closing sales, but also fosters long-term loyalty and repeat business from satisfied customers. For instance, active listening and asking probing questions can help salespeople uncover valuable insights about a customer's needs, allowing them to position their product or service as the ideal solution. In conclusion, mastering sales techniques is essential for entrepreneurs looking to drive revenue growth and cultivate lasting relationships with customers, enabling them to effectively communicate the value of their offerings and stand out in a competitive market. Consultative selling involves asking questions to understand the customer's needs and preferences, focusing on building a relationship by actively listening and offering tailored solutions. For example, a salesperson selling software products may inquire about the customer's challenges and goals to recommend the most suitable product. Relationship selling is about creating long-term relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Sales professionals aim to provide a positive experience for the customer at every touch point, like following up regularly in the insurance industry to ensure needs are met. Social selling utilizes social media platforms to engage with prospects and build relationships. Salespeople can leverage platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to share valuable content and establish credibility. For instance, a real estate agent may use Instagram to showcase property listings and interact with followers to generate leads. These common sales techniques emphasize understanding customer needs, building trust, and leveraging technology to enhance the sales process, enabling sales professions. These financial metrics play a significant role in the financial planning and success of a business venture. Today, we're diving into the crucial concepts of lead generation and conversion rate optimization. Lead generation is all about attracting potential customers, while conversion rate optimization focuses on turning those visitors into actual leads. When these strategies are effectively combined, businesses can significantly boost their sales and revenue. Let's explore how these two elements work hand in hand to drive success in marketing and sales strategies. In this section, we will dive into the crucial aspects of lead generation and conversion rate optimization. We will explore various strategies such as content marketing, email marketing, social media advertising, and SEO that can help businesses attract potential customers and improve the percentage of website visitors who take desired actions. Let's uncover the key tactics to drive sales and enhance business growth. Lead generation involves various tactics such as content marketing, email marketing, social media advertising, and SEO. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable content to attract potential customers and collect their contact information. Email marketing involves sending personalized emails to nurture leads. Social media advertising allows businesses to target specific demographics on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. SEO optimizes website content to rank higher in search engine results, attracting organic traffic. By utilizing these strategies, businesses can effectively attract, engage, and convert potential customers into leads, ultimately driving revenue growth. In this chapter on marketing and sales strategies, we've delved into the crucial aspects of understanding customer needs, crafting value propositions, and implementing effective sales tactics to boost business growth. It's all about aligning marketing and sales efforts to effectively reach your target audience and meet revenue goals. In this section, we will dive into the essential aspects of marketing and sales strategies that every entrepreneur should master. From identifying your target audience, seeking opportunities, and managing your resources wisely. Thank you for your attention. Any questions? In this chapter, we discussed important concepts in marketing and sales strategies, such as target audience, brand positioning, marketing mix, digital marketing, sales techniques, lead generation, and CRO. Understanding these concepts is crucial for developing effective marketing and sales strategies. In wrapping up, it's important to keep in mind that effective marketing and sales strategies are essential for the success of any business. Stay open to new ideas, ask questions, and always strive to improve your understanding. Thank you for your attention, and feel free to ask any questions you may have.